Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 10 video TDR failure. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, for the first method is that first of all go to your search box and type a device manager. Open a device manager, select a display adapter, expand it, right click and update driver. Click on search automatically drive and now close it. If your problem is still, then you can go to your once again display adapter area, right click, go to your update driver, click on a search automatically driver, select a search from update driver on Windows Update. So click on it. Now click on install now, and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Now you can see that downloading completed. Now once again the next version is available, to then download and installs. Close it and close it. The second method is that go to your search box and type a edit power plan. Go to your edit power plan, go to your change advanced power plan settings. After doing this step, select a wireless update driver settings, expand it, select a power saving mode and expand it, and make sure that is selected a maximum performance. Select it, click on apply and click on OK button and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is power cfg space -h space off and press enter. After typing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. Now restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.